Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, we'll talk about pricing, and pay close attention because this is where so many sellers leave money on the table without ever realizing it. Here's the most common mistake beginners make. They think that if they price low, they'll sell more. It feels logical, but on Etsy, Shopify, or any platform you sell on with the kind of personalized jewelry that you're selling, it couldn't be further from the truth. Let me explain why. Think about an everyday product, like a plain mug or a phone charger. You can find the exact same one in 100 shops, so people simply hunt for the lowest price. But your jewelry is one of a kind. When a customer falls in love with your piece, they can't simply find it cheaper somewhere else because it only exists in your shop. So they don't buy based on price. They buy based on emotion and how much the piece means to them or the person they would gift it to. And that changes everything. So here's our golden rule. Never race to the bottom. Aim for a healthy profit of at least $15 per piece, and ideally 30 to 40. And here's why that matters so much. Let's do the math. At $30 profit per sale, just one sale a day is around $1,000 profit a month. 3 sales a day, $3,000 profit. 5 sales a day, $5,000 profit. And with the tools you now have, the unique designs, the AI tools, and the beautiful mock-ups, getting to 3 to 5 sales a day is absolutely within your reach. That is the goal we're working toward. Now, one more way to increase your profit. You remember the back engraving we talked about in the previous video, right? Once your product is live, you can go into your shop, find the back engraving option, and set an extra charge for it. We recommend at least $8 to $10. It's a small touch for the buyer and pure added profit for you. And here's the real secret behind all of this. Perceived value. The more beautiful, meaningful, and premium your product feels, the more people are happy to pay. We've seen sellers successfully charge $70, even $100 or more for a single piece. Not because it costs more to make, but because they made it feel truly special. So price with confidence. You didn't start this print-on-demand business to break even. You started it to build real income. Create something beautiful, give it the value it deserves, and price it like the treasure it truly is.